You guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing Boxycharm unboxings today and we're getting started right now. So if you're interested to see what I have to tell you about these products, then stay tuned. I'm so excited to be back shooting in my beauty room. I've been doing my videos vlog style a little bit more lately. So I am back. I have both Boxycharm boxes here, the base box and the premium box for the month of January. And we're gonna get right into that. But if you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love beauty and lifestyle. Everything from makeup to home decor and clean with me's here. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button below, become part of the Brittany fam. And without further ado, let's get into the first box. I have here the base box, and this would be the first time that Boxycharm has sent me more skincare than makeup in a box. The first product is the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Love the packaging on this one. It is so gorgeous with the rose gold cap. Retinols are supposed to be really good for you, and it's like a white cream. So I love eye cream. They just make my skincare feel so luxurious. So I'm excited to try that one. Retails at $55. But I was also interested to see that they sent me the Avant Shea Butter, an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. And it was interesting to see that they sent me this one because I got an identical bottle last month. That one was the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid. This one was like $125. That's why I'm like shocked that I got another one. Sleeping mask, I definitely will be trying this one. It is retailed at $107. I have the pair, so I will be trying them together. Then they also sent a Skin & Co. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. It's got black truffle extract, apricot seed powder, sweet almond extracts, squalene extracted from Italian olive oil. It retails at $28. I got their truffle like refresh mist, and it was really nice. Excited to try something else from them. But then getting out of the skincare, they sent me two makeup products. The Queen liquid lipstick. I have it on right now in the center of my lips. It is a very beautiful peachy coral shade that goes perfect on the inner lip. Such a beautiful nude. I think I can never really have too many of these. It reminds me a lot of the Kylie Cosmetic Dolce K, kind of mixed with a little of the brown sugar in there. So it's kind of like a combination of those two, and I love both of them. So I'm excited about this one because I think it's just such a beautiful color. And this one goes for $17, and it claims to have a 12-hour performance. I have not worn it for 12 hours. I've probably had it on for about 2, and it looks good. But I'm gonna eat dinner and I'm gonna see if it's gonna last through that, so I'll let you know about that. And then lastly, they sent me the Pretty Vulgar Concealer. Now Boxycharm is starting to do complexion products, and they did send samples of these concealers a couple months back, and I went ahead and chose the one that looked right for my skin tone. I did try it out in my makeup look today. You can see that it is a little yellow, and it does highlight me in the right spot, so it looks good. I like it. What I really like about it is the doe foot on it, which is angled, and that makes it really convenient, like going down the center of the nose, along the curves of your face. So I really like that. $25. So this box's value is $232, which is awesome because I only paid $25 for it. Okay. And now we get over into the Boxy Premium, which I'm always excited about because at just $10 more, it is a bigger box for $35. And the products that come in it are so good, guys. So first, let me just get into it because this was probably the item that I was most excited about is the Farsali Liquid Glass $54, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It is supposed to be hydrating, so if you have dry skin, then this would be perfect for you. The Farsali Skin Tune Blur, that is one of my favorites to use. It was recommended by Jackie Aina. I like to mix it in with my foundations. I think they look beautiful when I do that, so I'm excited about trying another item of theirs. What I am most excited about is Farsali is about to come out with another one of these made especially for oily skin. That is a powder formula. It's a liquid to powder formula. It goes on liquid, turns into like a powder, and it's supposed to control the oils in the T-zone. I am so excited about it. It's going to run for the same price, and I think it comes out this week if I'm not mistaken. So I am just waiting on Sephora to drop that. If not, I'm going to have to go to the Farsali website because I need that one in my life. Boxycharm also sent the Too Faced Palm Spring Dreams palette. I was most excited to get this palette. The shades are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about this palette. Most impressed that they put a really dark brown in this palette. Like, this brown is darker than my skin tone, and you normally don't see that in a lot of palettes, especially if the palette only has one brown. This blue called Swank, this Swizzle Stick, which is this beautiful pink, and I also want to swatch Mocktail, which is a gorgeous matte orange, and then they've got this BYOB, which is the brown. There you can see those beautiful swatches. These shades are just so gorgeous. That orange there as well, such a beautiful matte. You can see it a little better at that angle, but yes, oh, there's that blue. Woo! And then that pink. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this palette. I think that this palette is going to be perfect for summer. I will definitely keep that one in the arsenal, and it retails for $45. Then they also sent a Kat Von D product, which is the Lolita eyeshadow single. This Lolita color was really popular with, I think, a Kat Von D lipstick and lip liner, if I'm not mistaken, and now they have turned it into an eyeshadow single. A really pretty color. It's kind of washed out under the light, so you can't really tell the pigment, but it is a beautiful brownish burgundy almost, and I'm really feeling the whole singles vibe now. I feel like so many brands have been coming out with nothing but palettes, and that's all we've been really seeing, so it's exciting to see some brands still dropping singles, coming out with singles. I'm really excited about this color. I haven't tried any Kat Von D other than an eyeliner that I got last month, so really excited about this one. It's so pretty, and that one retails for $19. Then they also sent the Best Brow Kit Ever, literally the name of the product. This is a whole kit by Billion Dollar Brows. It retails for $42, and that is because they include a universal brow pencil. Quite a bit of product with this one. Of course, has a spoolie on the other end. How smooth it is. So really nice and smooth. The payoff is there. This is actually a deep dark brown. I didn't think that it would be dark enough for me, but it is. And they also included the Brow Duo pencil, which is a concealer and highlighter duo. They included a brush in this set, a smudge brush to use. It can also be good to smudge a little eyeshadow under the lower lash. And then, most excited, I always love a good translucent clear brow setting gel. I can never have too many, and the spoolie is just right. So excited to try this kit out. I've never heard of this brand, Billion Dollar Brows. They sent over a nice big bottle of this Tula. You can't even read the label on it because the lights are so bright, but it is the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. It retails for $34 with 2% salicylic acid that provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. It's alcohol and fragrance free, and it treats regular or occasional breakouts. Now, I'm going to be trying this tonight because I actually have a breakout here, so I kind of want to see if it can clear that up, and that is $34. What I like to do is rotate my skincare products, use one for the week, kind of see how my skin reacts to it. So this will be the one that I try for this week. So if you want a review of this particular item, let me know once the week is up and I can let you guys know what I think about it. But I definitely have been in the habit lately of posting reviews on products that I get over the month on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, go follow me over there. It's at KBrittanyTV, and you'll see a lot of reviews of different products there. And then lastly in the box they included the Bliss Pork Patrol. It is a souffle, which I assume comes out like a mousse. Oh yeah, actually it comes out a little thicker than a mousse. Oh wow, that is really nice and thick, really thick. So I'm actually going to be trying this out tonight. I'm going to put it in the cap and save it because your girl don't like to waste product, okay? Clay Souffle Mask. It retails for $18. It's aerated with a combination of powerful clays that minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry or tight. This box totaled $212. The interesting thing is this will be the first time that my base Boxycharm box was worth more than the premium box. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next Tuesday in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.